In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for project management with a comprehensive tutorial and review for 2025. Miro is a versatile online collaborative whiteboard platform that helps teams work together in real time, allowing you to brainstorm and manage projects effectively. Let's get started on your journey to mastering Miro. First, head over to miro.com. This is your gateway to the world of Miro. Once you are on their homepage, you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that to initiate your sign-in process. You can sign in using your email or, if you prefer, your Google account for a streamlined login experience. Once you're signed in, click on Continue with Email if it's not already selected. This ensures that you're using the email option, keeping everything straightforward and secure. After you've gained access to your dashboard, navigate to the Board section. Here, you'll want to click on Create New. This is where all the magic begins. You're setting the stage for your project. After clicking on Create New, select Board from the options provided. This action opens up a new board for you to work with. Now it's time to name your board. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your board, making it easier for you and your collaborators to keep track of different projects. Next, explore the left side of your Miro board. Click on Sticky Notes to add them to your board. Sticky notes are great for jotting down ideas, tasks, or reminders. Add as many sticky notes as you need to encompass all your thoughts and plans. Then click on Text and select one of your sticky notes to start typing your text. This feature provides a simple method to label and describe elements of your project. Feeling creative? Click on the Shapes and Lines option to add visual elements to your board. Incorporate shapes to highlight key points or use lines to connect ideas. Need more detailed connections? You can also add arrows to your board, which will help indicate flow or direction within your project. If drawing helps you express your ideas better, click on the pencil icon. This allows you to draw freehand on your board. In addition, click on Frame to group related content together. Frames are perfect for organizing related sticky notes, text, and shapes into clean sections. To add a bit of fun and express different sentiments, click on the emoji icon. Emojis can add an engaging and personal touch to your board, making collaboration more enjoyable. If you need to incorporate your own content, use the upload feature to add files directly from your computer. Finally, once your board is complete, you'll want to export it. Click on Export this board at the top of the page. You can save your board as a PDF, an image, or in any other format that suits your needs. This step is crucial for sharing your work with others or preserving it for future reference. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Miro for project management. With these steps, you're now ready to collaborate effectively and efficiently using this powerful tool. Thank you for joining us. Now go ahead and start creating with confidence.